Welcome to the Lapis Lazuli guided meditation by Satin Crystals. We will be using lapis gemstones to transcend your troubles and float you above the world, finding serenity in the storm and opening your third eye chakra. Prepare for the meditation by finding a peaceful and quiet space. If possible, clear out the space beforehand by lighting sage, incense, or a candle and using a clear quartz wand. Select your favorite Lapis Lazuli gemstones to hold and to grid around your meditation space, and have a glass of water and a pair of Mochi marble stones or your preferred grounding stones for after the meditation. With your Lapis Lazuli gemstone in hand, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale the vibrations of calm relaxation and exhale the tensions and worries stored in your mind. Continue to breathe long and deep, feeling negative emotions being released and the positive high healing frequencies being absorbed in. Let this cycle continue for a few minutes until all of the darkness and weight in your system has been replaced by a feeling of lightness, as though you are floating. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey on your own for however long you would like. Now, as your body is filled with healing light, bring your attention to the Lapis Lazuli gem in your hand. Bring into the center of your mind the bright blue color of the lapis stone. Imagine that same blue energy floating up to your third eye chakra, landing as a ball of color between your 2 physical eyes. Maybe you can see the bright blue light in your mind's eye. Maybe you feel it as energy buzzing with high and powerful frequency. However you perceive the energy of blue lapis lazuli, let it become stronger and stronger. When you feel the blue light of the lapis gemstone is at its strongest and most powerful, watch your own third eye begin to blossom. Once you are shut in deep sleep, the third eye slowly opens, perceiving the world of energy all around you. In synchronization with your 2 physical eyes, it allows you to see far more than you ever thought possible. Take the time to open your third eye until it's fully awake and adjusted to this new, expanded vision. Now let's practice seeing through the newly opened third eye. Scan your body from head to toe. Where once you could only see your physical characteristics, you can now feel or see much more. Take note of what colors you might notice on each part of your body. Take note of what sensations are surrounding the various parts of your body. Are there areas of tension and trouble you might have overlooked in the past? What does it look or feel like? Are there areas that are open and flowing more than others? Take a full scan of your body with your new vision and insight. After your full body scan is complete, get ready to send healing light to the areas in your body that need it most. Imagine a purple light coming down from the heavens above and entering through the top of your head at the crown chakra. Now funnel this energy into your third eye and imagine yourself emitting blue and purple beams of light down onto the areas of your body that need this divine healing energy. Your third eye works like a laser to extract pockets of negativity and replace it with this divine healing light. Take the time to do this to all parts of your body and aura that need a boost in energy. Now that your physical and etheric bodies are energized, we are almost ready to take an astral journey and see the spirit world as you have never seen it before. But before we do, we are going to harness the protective powers of your Lapis Lazuli crystal. Turn your attention to your gemstone in your hand and mentally repeat after me. Lapis Lazuli, I thank you for keeping me safe and protected on this journey. Thank you for watching over me with your auspicious eye that can see all and wards all evil. Thank you for giving me power through my own third eye so that I can see beyond the physical as I embark on this trip of the soul. Conjure up the deep navy blue of lapis and imagine yourself floating up in the dark midnight sky. As you transcend higher and higher, you gaze at the beautiful golden pyrite sparks that dance like stars in the starry sky. You are now flying through space, lit up by pyrite stars. As you venture ahead, higher and higher, you see the white calcite streaks of the Milky Way. You are truly ready for an astral travel that brings you to a place of connection and greater understanding. Now that you have taken your soul on this incredible journey, allow all the experiences to sink deep into your conscious and subconscious mind. Here they can be stored for eternity, along with the lessons you have learned. Give thanks to the beings you have encountered along the way. Give thanks to the Lapis Lazuli gemstone that has kept you safe and ignited your third eye chakra. Give thanks to yourself for having the courage to take this journey into the unknown. We are now going to descend back down from this high frequency and ground back to earth. Imagine yourself slowly floating down, being drawn to the gravity of the planet as you drift back to your physical body. On the way down, admire the blue planet from above, looking like a lapis sphere of water, land, and clouds. Come back down from space, entering the Earth's atmosphere of puffy and delightful clouds. You are in the sky, looking down at the land from above. Slowly, you continue your journey back down, finding your way back to your physical body. Feel your etheric body re-enter your physical body. Observe the sensations of your highly vibrating soul now being anchored back to earth, back to reality. Take a few moments to let your astral body completely realign back to your physical body. You are ready to reintegrate back to physical reality. You shall emerge as a wiser being, more energized and with greater understanding. Let the high feeling stay with you for the entire day and for as long as possible. Feel good knowing you have gone on a mind-freeing journey and activated your third eye. Feel good knowing you can come back here anytime just by closing your eyes and activating your willpower. As I count from 1 to 5, your spiritual and physical bodies are back together and you are back here on earth grounded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now give yourself several minutes to readjust and revel in the good feeling. Now is the perfect time to hold on to your Moki stones or your grounding stones and drink water, which helps you root back to reality. Thank you for joining the meditation today. If you enjoyed this Lapis meditation, we would love to hear your stories, experiences, and comments. We would also like to invite you to join the Satin Crystals VIP, and you will get many more guided meditations, free affirmations, and a monthly crystal horoscope. As always, thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals.